Today we have to celebrate all this charger challenge on the peak. Let's go. Oh, great idea. Later, okay? Wait. There's a charger. There you go. I hate without the charger. Whoa. Ooh, look at this. I need for the like this. Not again. Not again. Not again. I'm used the charger of this. How much is 35 or 14? How much is 20? How much is 20? Okay. When you have. Whoa. I can't do it now anymore. I can't do it now anymore. Ooh, look at this. What is going on? Wait, he's stuck. Wait. I hate stuck over here. Look at the charger. Ow. She's coming, alright? I go. I hate games. Whoa, she's coming, alright? I go. Heck, there I have to put my t-shirt because I hate. Look, what I have to make? No. Yes, I hate. We need to climb in the sky. What is? What is this? What is t-shirt doing here? What is this? What? What is this? What is going on? Whoa, she's coming, alright? I go. Oh, well, I guess so. Well, because I did know, because I hear talking about. Where she's going on? I hate the frame. What is going on? I get it. What is this? Whoa, we need to climb in the sky. On the way. Stupid game. Whoa! Well. No. Wait. No, I get it. We'll have this charger 16. I going to the bedroom too. No, I guess so. We have to go. Oh, and I. She's funny, some kids. I went to the house. Look at this charger. What is this? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Well, that's enough. 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 Ow! What is this? I hate. My ice is broken. I can do it now anymore. I can do it now anymore. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Excuse me. Shoot. Shoot. What is go? Shoot. Shoot. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What is going? This should be scary, alright. scary night. I hate Pocket Afraid. I hate Pocket Afraid. I hate the games. We need to charge 16 or 19. What is going on? Wait, this is squirrel. This is squirrel. This is squirrel. What's going on? This is squirrel or white. Oh, what is going on? Is this right or left? Oh, no. I hate the games. I will supposed to be. I hate games all right. But this is going on left or right. The squirrel's doing here. I take right. This. Oh no, no. I don't know anymore. I lose a left. Okay, I lose the left. Oh no, I did because it is squiggles all right. I get it. I hate afraid. What is games doing here? I hate games. But this right's doing left over here. Yeah, left. I can do that anymore. All right. Or left. Right, left. I can do it anymore. I can do it anymore. What is right or left? I take right. This. I take now. I take now anymore. I'm user brain. I get it. What is this? What is left doing here? I get it. Wait a minute. Left is not available on Instagram, on Twitter. Nick, what is going on? What is this? On a t-shirt. It's my favorite this. What is this? I get it. You're so tired, kids. What is going on? I get it. Ow. What is going on? Okay. Ow. What is going on? What? What? What is going on? User brain. Huh? What is this? What is going on? I get it now. I can't believe it this. What is going on? I get it. Stupid game. What is this? I know. Forget it. I want to this. Get it if you can. That's enough, guys. That's enough. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my video, click the bell. Next video, electric fun challenge. This is a electric fun. This amenity. Look at the frames of electric fun. Here, the science test. Wow, what is this? Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my video, click the bell. Next video, electric fun challenge. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. See you all Wednesday. Tomorrow. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you all tomorrow. Bye. chili ganos, like a part 3.